Bitcoin is facing a critical moment. Short-term holders are panicking and dumping coins, but the smartest traders see this as the bottom. Volume at exchanges hits a shocking low, Bitcoin dominance is spiking, and huge crypto events this week could change everything. Are we on the edge of a crypto explosion, or is disaster looming? I'll show you exactly what's happening, what you must do right now, and how to secure profits when everyone else panics. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll not only avoid costly mistakes, but also discover the one secret that changed my financial life forever. Bitcoin is currently testing the weekly 50 EMA. This is huge. Every trader knows. Holding this line is crucial for the bull run to continue. Historically, every time Bitcoin holds this moving average, it catapults to new all-time highs shortly after. If Bitcoin breaks down now, we might see temporary pain across the market. But let me tell you something most people miss. These decisive moments are precisely when life-changing opportunities arise. The smartest, wealthiest investors are buying right now, betting big that this is just a quick correction before Bitcoin rockets towards six figures. On-chain data reveals short-term holders are in panic mode. The SOPR indicator clearly shows these traders consistently selling at losses since February, signaling extreme fear. But here's the catch. Panic selling often indicates we've hit the absolute market bottom. When short-term holders lose hope, long-term investors step in aggressively, accumulating Bitcoin at bargain prices. This isn't just another dip, it's a golden opportunity to build generational wealth. Daily exchange volume just plunged dramatically, reaching dangerous lows not seen for months. But let's unpack this carefully. Historically, low exchange volumes have always marked market bottoms. Right now, institutional investors, whales, and seasoned traders aren't scared. They're quietly scooping up Bitcoin and select altcoins at steep discounts. While the majority sleeps, those awake to this opportunity are setting themselves up for exponential gains. Bitcoin dominance is surging due to altcoin weakness and ongoing market fear. Top analysts point out Bitcoin's incredible resilience during the current turmoil, driven by powerful institutions, upcoming ETFs, and massive investments by giants like MicroStrategy. This dominance spike signals a seismic shift is coming. Bitcoin is preparing to lead the entire crypto market into a historic rally. Missing this trend could mean missing out on the biggest crypto bull market ever. Michael Saylor is aggressively buying Bitcoin again, pushing MicroStrategy's holdings above an unbelievable $42 billion. Saylor's message is loud and clear. Bitcoin remains significantly undervalued. Historically, his massive bets precede huge upward moves in Bitcoin's price. If you aren't paying attention to Saylor's moves right now, you're practically giving away your future profits to smarter investors. He's betting his entire company's future on Bitcoin. Would he do this without expecting massive returns? Absolutely not. This current market correction mirrors past patterns perfectly. The short-term holder cost basis indicator shows identical movements seen just before previous epic rallies. These aren't guesses. This is precise historical data. Patterns don't lie. History consistently repeats itself, and understanding these patterns can literally transform your financial future. The evidence is screaming at us. Bitcoin is about to embark on another historic bull run. We're entering possibly the most volatile week of 2025 so far. Critical economic indicators like ISM manufacturing PMI, job openings, and non-farm payrolls data are dropping this week. But even more explosive, President Trump's Liberation Day and a critical speech by Fed Chair Powell. Any of these events could ignite massive volatility, and massive volatility means massive opportunity. Crypto prices might spike dramatically, rewarding traders who position themselves correctly ahead of time. SUI just hit an astonishing 110 million total accounts, skyrocketing 69% in just 30 days. Massive growth like this signals strong institutional and retail interest building behind the scenes. Mantle, IONET, and Jupiter are all gearing up for significant announcements, major network upgrades, and product launches this very week. When the altcoin market heats up, it tends to move fast and furiously. Get ready. Altcoin season might just be about to explode, delivering extraordinary returns to those who act quickly. A massive $117 million worth of wormhole tokens unlocks on April 3rd, nearly half of its circulating supply. Huge token unlocks like this can cause short-term volatility and incredible buying opportunities. Smart traders will monitor closely, ready to scoop up cheap tokens at panic sale prices. If you position yourself strategically here, the upside potential could be enormous. Here's the critical point. Crypto investing is all about timing, strategy, and knowledge. Mistakes are expensive, but making the right moves at the right time can literally change your life. I transitioned from confusion and heavy losses to achieving true financial freedom by mastering DeFi, decentralized finance. If you're tired of guessing, gambling, and losing my ebook DeFi, Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide, is your essential next step. At only $4.99, less than your morning coffee, you gain the blueprint for navigating DeFi, staking, yield farming, security strategies, and wealth creation. It's your shortcut to clarity, confidence, and crypto success. Crypto moves incredibly fast, and you can't afford to miss any updates. Destroy the like button, subscribe now for daily updates, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of everyone else. Comment below, are you buying, selling, or holding through this market volatility? For more invaluable insights, click the video on your screen now, and let's continue making massive crypto gains together. I'll see you there.